Right, welcome back to another baking video. Today I want to show you how to bake a rhubarb, blackberry and vanilla mini cake. But not like this. Much better. Okay, first up. So for this recipe I'm going to use some forced rhubarb from Yorkshire. It's a really nice pink color. They force it in the dark. You can hear the rhubarb growing. And apply a lot of heat to it. So the rhubarb, you know, is looking for the sun and is growing very fast. We're gonna mix flour, sugar, baking powder and lemon zest together. After we've mixed all the dry ingredients together, we're gonna add the butter. Until it resembles a fine breadcrumb. Next up, our eggs. Okay, and now we bake it for 30 minutes. And now they just need to cool down. Yummy, yummy, yummy! That's it for today's baking. I hope you enjoyed watching. This is rhubarb, blackberry and vanilla mini cake. See you next time. Bye!